Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the previous video, we have completed article page part of Article Hub project. If you have not seen that video, just go to description and check out the link. In this video, we are going to work on home page and we are going to show all the articles. And this one is our last video of Article Hub project. So let us start with that. Now we have to go to the SRC folder, open integrated terminal. And here we have to generate a component, so ng generate article details component we are going to create, and inside this one it will generate a component, and we are going to use this component as a article. So let's go to the cd app, and then we try to generate again, and you can see file has been created. As you have to move to the app folder, then try to generate it. Okay, and after that just delete this one and get inside app details here, and inside this one first we are going to write here article details, and it should be of any type, and then we have to create the constructor to inject the values or inject the values. And for theme, so mat underscore dialog data and public dialog data and any and public theme service this one, and inside this one this dot article details is equals to this dot dialog data dot data, this one. And after that we have to go to the SCSS file, and here we just need to write spacer and flex 1 and auto, this one, and put semicolon, and then go to the article details, and inside this one we have to write mat toolbar, and then we have to also pass the color, so color theme service dot get theme. Okay, we have imported the correct one. Okay, so just try to copy here, get theme. Okay, we are not getting suggestions. Okay, no problem. We're going to write here get theme, and inside this one press enter mat toolbar raw fx layout, and here we have to write raw and span, and here we are going to write view article, and after that here we need to put a space, so and nbsp semicolon, it will put a one space between this one and published. Okay, after that here we have to write published on, and then we have to use interpolation and we have to show the values, so article details dot publication underscore date, and then we are going to use pipe to format the date, so dd y. Okay, and after that here we need to use a spacer, so span and class spacer to put little space, and then we need here button to close the form, so class mat dialog dash close, and mat icon button and mat dialog close, this one, and mat icon, and here we just need to write close. Save this. After that here we just need to write mat dialog content and the class mat typography, and here we need to display the title first. So here I'm going to write article details dot title. Then we need to put a line, so HR and div and inner HTML, and then we need to write article details dot content, and then sanitize HTML we need to call, and close this one and save this. Okay, now we need to move to the home component.ts file over here, and then here we need to declare some variables. So message anytype articles, and inside this one we need to use some of the services. So article service, and article service we need to import private snack bar service, so snack bar service, and private dialog mat dialog, and then private router, and router we need to import, and private ngx service and ngx UI loader service. Okay, and inside this one we need to start the loader. So this dot ngx service dot start, and after that we need to call the table data. So table data, and here we need to call, so this dot table data we need to call whenever this one page load, and inside this one here this dot this dot article services dot get all published article, here we need to call, and dot subscribe and response any, and here this dot articles, and here response, and this dot ngx services dot stop, and there's a chance that there could be some error. So here error any type, and this dot ngx services dot stop the loader, remove the loader, and after that console.log whatever the error we have, so error, and if error dot error and then message, then this dot response message is equals to, we are going to get the value and pass it over here, and in else condition this dot this dot response message is equals to global constant dot generic error with semicolon, and at last we need to display the whatever the error message. So open a snack bar services dot open snack bar, and this dot response message, and here one more variable we forget to create. So here search text, and it should be of a string type, and here single quotes, and this variable as we also need to filter, but in this filter we just want to search by category as well as by category and the title. We just want to search by these two fields. Okay, so here we have tried filtered items, and here filter items, and it should be of any type, And one more thing here we need to do is we have to go to the tsconfig.json file, and here we are going to remove stick to false. We are going to set this one, and then we are going to restart our server to see the changes. Okay, and ng serve, we does not want to strictly follow it, and just close this one. And then inside this one here we have to return this dot articles question mark dot filter, and here item and item dot title dot to lower case dot includes. We need to find in that one by using include, and search text dot to lower case, and here item dot category name dot to lower case include, and this dot serve search text dot to lowercase, and after that put semicolon. Okay, not at this place, over here, and put save this. After that here we need to write the code to handle the views. So here I'm going to write a handle view action, as we want to see the article content. So just need to write like this. So values any, and here we have to write const dialog config and new mat dialog and config this one, and dialog config dot data action and slash edit values, and after that put semicolon, and then scroll a little bit, and dialog config dot width we are going to set it to 850 px, and constant dialog reference, and this dot dialog dot open, and in this we need to pass article details component, and dialog config put semicolon, and then router dot events dot subscribe, and here we need to just close the dialog reference if router has been changed, and close this one. Okay, so dialog reference we need to pass this one. Okay, save this. Now we have to go to the HTML page, and we have already write this code. We have mat toolbar and two mat toolbars, and in between these two mat toolbar we need to write the code. So just put a little bit of space, and here div class content wrapper, and then just put a little bit space, and mat form field and appearance will be fill, and the color will be theme services dot get theme, and inside this one mat label, and here we have to just write filter, and inside this one input mat input, and then we are using here ng model technique. It is a two-way binding. So basically two-way binding means that like any changes happen in the like model, which going to be update to the view, and if anything changes in the view will also going to update the model. And here you can see the square bracket denotes as the property binding, and the parenthesis shows as like event binding. Okay, and inside this one we have to just write search text, and then we have to just close this one. And here whenever we are going to get the input, then we need to call. So here we just need to call the method, so filtered items, this one, and save this. After mat form field, inside this one we are going to create a div, and here class and card container, and here we have to write mat card and start ng4, and let item or card value, you can say, of filtered items we need to call this one, and the class will be also card. And on click, here we just need to call handle view, this one, copy this one and paste it over here. Let me wrap this item here, and here we need to pass whatever the value we have. So here we are going to pass the card value, and inside this one mat card header, and here we have to write mat card title, and inside this one we are going to show card dot title, and just close this one. And after mat card we have to show mat card content, close this one, and then we have to show category, and here we need to show card dot category name. Let me scroll this one a little bit, and after that we just need to break the line, and then we have to write published on card dot publication date and date dd mmyy. This format we need to pass, and just save this. Okay, and after that this div, outside of this container, we are going to write h1, and this and then here we have to just write nothing to show, and it will be only visible when we don't have anything to show. So here we have to just write ng if filtered items, we need to check, and comma dot length is equals to 0, then this message will be visible. Let's save this and let's test this out. And here we are, so we can see we have a filter. I'm going to search by category, so I'm going to search by category. You can see when we write y and then nothing to show, it visible. If I remove this one, it's visible. So if I click on it, you can see the article details. If I close and let me log in and let me change in the form, so here email.com admin, I'm going to click on it, going to articles, I'm going to just enable this one. Okay, so I'm going to just update the status to published, update it. Here I'm going to create few more, so one test category, let's say Java, published, add, let me add one more, and two test, and here I'm going to go with Java, published, add. I'm going to log out, and if I see, you can see there's a 4 article is visible right now. If I click on any article, you can see the view article details, published date, you can see the category. If I click on this one, it will close, and And if I click on any like card, you can see those details, right? If I click on it, you can see every details. Let me try to search with the Java. You can see only two card is visible. It's searching by category. If I change this one for one, you can see only one visible because it's searching by name currently. It means that the article home page is working as expected. So our all part of Frontend is also completed. So our project has been completed. I hope you like this project. So please hit like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.